Our labs are based in China, and we do a lot of so-called supervision tests on behalf of CFDA. Of course, they also ask other third-party lab to do market surveillance tests. We think to collect lab test data, then there should be a uniform, data template with a lot of hard work, for instance, on coding system, and a lot of basic work need to be done. I just wonder if FDA has because I'm not familiarized with the U.S. system. I just wonder if FDA have a standardized template with a standardized coding system on samples, on testing method, because without a standardized template and coding system to analyze the data, I think it's very, very difficult. Then FDA need to do a lot of manual entering and things like that. It seems to be not so feasible. So I just wonder.
You're absolutely right. And within the FDA, yes, there are standard templates and worksheets. And there is an electronic submission system that you can go in and pull out the data. You can actually track from the time the sample is entered into the system after it's been collected all the way through until a supervisor has signed off on the data. That in a vacuum is fine. The question or the problem occurs when you're asking even some of your closest partners to submit data. And the reason is the format's different, or their electronic system is not compatible with ours. Or the state system within the FERN that actually reports data to the FDA is a network called AlexNet. That seems to work well. There's standardized fields for the same types of things. The question is the fields in AlexNet and the fields in the FDA side of it don't talk very well. And this was highlighted in the large-scale sampling pilots that we talked about. And it's something that we have to pay attention to later on when we incorporate other partners with standardized worksheets and standardized ways to communicate. We had state labs who were doing the bulk of the avocado analysis for Listeria and Salmonella for us. The data was being submitted to the FDA through AlexNet, and then somebody, not me, had to take that data and enter it into the FDA side. Not very efficient. So it is a recognized problem that in this information age, to make sure that there is compatibility in the reporting system and that the data fields are the same.